Well, we know it was Friday the 13th last night, and there was a full moon. The full moon only lands on a Friday the 13th about once every 20 years. It's also the final full moon before fall begins, which is also referred to as the harvest moon. And all that means, Lisa, is time to get my Grim Reaper out on the front lawn.
When do you put the Halloween decorations up?
Well, I wanted to do it last week of September. The wife vetoed. So first weekend of October, I'm going to have a creepy house.
Tiff, I'm right there with you. Don't worry, I got your back on this one. Although I'll have my Christmas decorations up the second that Halloween is done.
So how's that fair?
It's not. We're in for what's going to be a beautiful day. It's tough to, I don't know, talk about Halloween or definitely not Christmas when it's this warm out. Mid-morning, if your kids have a game, it's going to be sunny, 70s expected here by about 10 o'clock. And then this afternoon, those afternoon games are going to get pretty toasty. Sunshine and 80s today. We're going to be closer to 90 tomorrow. The record high today is 92. We're close to that. We'll be a few degrees off, but you can see on satellite and radar, all is clear right now. We've got some really pretty shots. That's from Loveland Ski Area. Clear skies, sunny conditions. If you're heading west, you're going to find dry roads on I-70. Should be a pretty pleasant drive to the west. Right now, Dacono's at 50, Commerce City 54, Parker already in the low 60s. We're at 62 this morning, stepping out the door to some really mild temperatures. Compared to yesterday morning, it is going to be a few degrees warmer, about 3 to 5 in and around Denver. Take a look at Futurecast. We're likely going to see by about 11 o'clock in Boulder, 76 as Folsom Field is packing in for the game today against Air Force. We're going to see 70s to start, likely 80s by the end of the game. Denver will be in the mid 70s by about 11, and then right around 83 to about 84 between 1 and 2. We're going to see highs top out in the mid to upper 80s here in town and across the northeastern plains. 70s for the most part in the mountains, and again, clear skies across the state. Very few clouds building here in really the next couple of days. Early tomorrow morning, Sunday, 6:30, we're going to see upper 50s to low 60s. 30s again in a few spots in the mountains, more 40s overnight in the high country. And then tomorrow afternoon, it's hot, 90 degrees in Denver. Summer still holding on strong here. This last, really week of summer, we're going to see some pretty warm weather. Here on the Super 7 Day today, 87 degrees with those sunny skies. It's going to be a nice afternoon and evening. Heading to the mountains again, you're going to find 70s. Both today and tomorrow, we'll talk more about the fall colors. Where's a good spot to go this weekend and next weekend? Coming up in just a few minutes. Tomorrow, we're at about 90 degrees, so we'll talk more about tailgating at the Broncos game also. But then on Monday, things will start to cool down a little bit. Very warm into the first of next week with those mid to upper 80s. Chance of rain. There will be a slight chance. We'll see a few storms pop up on Monday, but you're going to find more by the middle of the week, and it does get a little bit cooler. We're tracking a cold front, and this time of year, it's more of a cool front. We'll be in the upper 70s Wednesday and then close to 80 on Thursday, so some really nice and mild weather through the middle of next week.